Okay, hello YouTube, and I'm back, and if you have any ideas why my mic might be making that annoying sound, send us a, comment or message, because, well, it's annoying for me to listen to it. I just can't imagine how annoying it is for you to listen to that and my voice at the same time. Now, today, well, not today, but last time we did the shin, the shin and bottom part of your leg, the thigh, the forearm, the hand, the fingers, the um, bit between the shoulder and the elbow, the shoulder, the top half of your body, the middle part, the moving of the whole armature, the waist, and the hips. Now, starting off today, we're going to be doing the foot. Now, yeah, as I thought, it'll be just rotating a simple part of the foot. You can go. See, wrong button. Oh, why is it glitching out weird? You can go up or down, or to left, to the right. So that's I guess that would be the heel. I guess that's what it affects. But as I said in my last video, just because something can go a certain distance doesn't mean you should push it to its limits, because then crap starts to look weird. Now this other bit is this bit at the top is just the toes. Now this does a whole all the toes at once, but unless you are doing a video on, I don't know what kind of video you'd be doing where it focuses on the toes, but for the most part it's going to be pretty insignificant, the fact that the toes have such a basic system of moving, because you'll either have a shoe or a sandal or something on, and the toes, they won't matter much. But that's the foot done. This bit rotates along the X and the Z axis. This bit, I don't know what axis this bit the toes rotate on. They're pretty insignificant. If it was me, I'd just leave them there. But now let's go on to the main bit. As soon as no, I'll leave that there. Okay, the main bit. And the main bit is his face, because this, as you can see, has so many bits and pieces that, well, you really can't ignore it. I'm going to start off with this, I guess this is an oval. It's this bit here, which rotates, like, it rotates his neck. So, I don't know what bones are in the neck. Well, I know there's bones in the neck, but I don't know what they're called. But that's when generally acts as your neck. Can rotate left to right. I don't know if I'll check, see if I rotate front and back. I imagine it could. Yeah, it can rotate front and back. So that's just acts as his neck. And this bit is his jaw, obviously. Because, well, that looks just weird. But you can do that. So right now, he looks like he got surprised. So this can go up, down. I'm just trying to get this back to as normal as it will go. Come on, go back to as normal as you'll go, you damn mouth. So I'm trying to get this to go normal, and it doesn't want to go normal. Oh well. There's always clear location, clear rotation. Okay, that didn't work. I guess you'd have to go view right. I don't know, would that work? Yeah, that works. So that's generally back to where it was. Maybe there's a little bit of space, but that's pretty good. So yeah, you can make his jaw open and close, go weird like someone punched him in the jaw, and yeah, now got that under control. We're going to open his mouth up because I think the next bit works on his tongue. So let's open his mouth up, a good bit, and I imagine this is, yes, it is the tongue. And as you can tell, it's a little hard to maneuver. Now view right, Z. Wireframe mode especially helps. Let's move this up a little bit. Like, I don't know, he had a spasm and he's about to bite his own tongue off. Well, let's leave his tongue like that. But generally, there's 3 different bones there that move a different bit of the tongue. Okay, now let's get onto this big dome. Oh, it's not really a dome, but whatever this is. This bit right here. Now this is just a main head controller. So right now, my guy looks absolutely like a freak. But hell, I don't care. But that's what this bit here does. It just acts as a controller for the head. So this controls above the neck. So it's just the head and not the neck and the head. But let's leave that guy like that. Actually, no, let's rotate it a bit more. Like he's, I don't know, something's wrong with him. Okay, now you might have seen that, you mightn't have. This is going to be quite hard to show you actually. Tab, no, I don't want to go tab. Oh, sorry about that, I didn't mean to hit the mic. Hang on, let me try something. Gonna separate the eye. Actually, Z. But dang it. You know what? I got a better idea. Now there should be one that says I. Inviso, no, that's definitely not it. I. Maybe the eye's already got a texture. I don't know. But I'll show you to the best of my ability. Now, if you can see it, there's like a, what would it be? The iris, I think it's called. Ooh, the black bit and the colored bit of your eye. There's like a lump there. Now, when you have one of these circles selected, smaller circles, and you press G, can you see that? If you can't, you'll just have to try it out for yourself. But it moves the iris, or what I keep calling the iris, and it tracks that. Now this one's going all the way down there. This one's going to go all the way up here. And these ones, it tracks both of the eyes to it. So my guy's eyes are going to be up like that. So the 2 little ones move individual eyes, the big one moves both eyes at the same time. Now, what kind of time am I at? Yeah, we should have enough time, but I might have to make another video. Now, actually, I'm gonna cut this video off here because I'm gonna do this this whole face mask thing here in one whole video. So, thanks for watching, and again, sorry about the sound of the mic. I don't know what's making it. It's not the feedback from my speakers, since I unplugged my speakers and turned them off. So, yeah, if you have any ideas, send me a message, and thanks. Bye.